In this video, I'll show you what a cash register is and how it works. Click on the Cash Register in the menu item to record a cash register transaction. This date field gets auto-populated, then add the amount being used in the transaction. Next, what type of transaction is taking place, as there are two types: payout and receipt. Then, the mode of payment we are using to perform the transaction. Either it's cash or bank. Next is the account transaction type. If the transaction type is payout, it means that we are paying someone, like a vendor, branch, or as an expense. Receipt means we are receiving the money from the capital investors, customers, insurances, vendors, or other branches. This field adjusts itself according to the transaction type. In this description field, you can add a note about the transaction. Clicking the Save button will post the transaction. Now, let's understand the cash register interface with a simple example. Let's say you want to record a transaction of a customer who came to pay his dues. Since we are receiving the money, the transaction type would be receipt. The mode of payment is cash. From the account type dropdown, we will select Receivables Customers. From the next dropdown, we will select the customer and search for the invoice he is paying. As the invoices are selected, the amount the customer owes will be auto-populated. Lastly, you can add a note and save this transaction. If you don't want to target the invoice for any reason, like if the customer is paying only a partial amount, you can simply select the customer and manually fill in the amount field and click Save. Now, if you ever want to record a transaction for an insurance, select the insurance account type from here. The next field allows you to choose the insurance company that owes you the money. Fill in the amount field, add a note if required, and click Save. Let's take another example, where we will be paying a vendor for the products we have purchased. Since we are paying, the transaction type would be payout. Then we will select the payment method, cash or bank. Then, we will select the Payable Vendors option from this dropdown. From the next dropdown, we will select the vendor, then search and select an invoice if applicable. The amount field will be auto-populated. Add any note if applicable in the description field, and save the transaction. That's all about the cash register. And to learn about other interfaces, please watch our other videos.